What if I told you that powerful natural healers are growing wild right now, in ditches, lawns, abandoned lots, maybe even your own backyard? Plants our grandparents trusted when hospitals and pharmacies weren't options. Plants that supported soldiers on battlefields and families through tough times for centuries. Today, I'm sharing 20 forgotten ones, ranked from everyday helpers to truly impressive game changers. Stick around for number 17, used for over 2,000 years and now researched for fighting tough bacteria, and number 20, the plant that inspired aspirin but is often gentler on your stomach. This is educational only, not medical advice. These are traditional uses backed by history and some modern studies. Always consult a doctor before trying any herb, especially if pregnant, on meds, or with health conditions. Hit subscribe and the bell. We share empowering natural health tips weekly. Number 1. Calendula officinalis, the battlefield healer. Medieval soldiers carried these bright orange flowers to clean wounds when nothing else was available. Modern trials show extracts speed healing of cuts, burns, and skin irritation thanks to flavonoids and triterpenoids that calm inflammation and fight microbes. Dry the petals, infuse in oil plus beeswax for a simple salve. Apply to minor wounds or irritated skin. Why forgotten? Can't patent a flower, but it's still your backyard first aid kit waiting to be remembered. Number 2. Plantain plantigo major, the trailside first aid weed. Native Americans called it white man's footprint because it followed settlers everywhere. Crush fresh leaves for instant relief from bites, stings, cut. Studies confirm anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and wound healing effects, even better than some standards for burns in trials. Chew or crush a leaf and apply as a poultice. Free emergency help at your feet. Number 3. Yarrow Achillea millefolium, the soldier's herb. Ancient warriors used it to stop bleeding fast. It promotes clotting and fights infection. Research supports hemostatic, anti-inflammatory, and wound properties. Crush fresh leaves on cuts or make tea for fevers. Nature's pocket medic for outdoors. Number 4. Mullein verbascum thapsus, the lung friend. Tall fuzzy spikes along roadsides, used for centuries on coughs, congestion, bronchitis. Reviews show expectorant, anti-inflammatory effects to help clear mucus. Strain hairy leaves for tea, use cheesecloth. Helps lungs do their job naturally. Number 5. Dandelion taraxacum officinale, the liver ally. Dismissed as a weed, but roots and leaves support digestion, detox, and mild diuretic action. Studies link it to liver health, antioxidants, and better digestion. Make root tea or eat young leaves in salads. Your free spring tonic. Number 6. Comfrey symphytum officinale, the bone knitter. Called knit bone for speeding soft tissue repair, allantoin promotes cell growth. Clinical trials show topical use reduces pain in sprains, back issues, bruises. External only, avoid internal due to liver concerns. Infuse root in oil for salve. Number 7. Prunella vulgaris. Low purple spikes in lawns, used for wounds, sore throats, inflammation everywhere. Research shows wound healing, anti-inflammatory, even anti-biofilm effect. Crush leaves for poultice or gargle tea. The plant that lives up to its name. Number 8. Red clover, Trifolium pratense, the gentle field flower. Common meadow bloom. Isoflavones support skin, women's health, mild menopause relief. Studies back anti-inflammatory and skin benefit. Dry flowers for tea. Gentle, long-term support from the ground up. Number 9. White horehound, Marubium vulgar, the old cough candy. Made into lozenges pre-modern syrups. Helps productive coughs and clears congestion. Traditional expectorant, still in some European remedies. Sweeten strong tea with honey. Clears junk without suppressing the cough. Number 10. Elecampane, Inula helenium, the deep lung tonic. Tall yellow flowers, root for stubborn coughs, chronic bronchitis. Antimicrobial sesquiterpenes support respiratory healing over time. Simmer root for decoction. Slow, deep rebuild for lungs. If this is opening your eyes to nature's pharmacy, smash like, it helps others find this. Subscribe if you're ready to reclaim natural healing knowledge. Number 11. Agrimony, Agrimonia eupatoria, the throat soother. Yellow spikes, astringent tannins tone inflamed throat, mild digestive upset. Traditional gargle for sore throat. Strong tea as gargle or sip. Gentle healer for mouth and gut. Number 12. Blue vervain, Verbena hostata, the nerve calmer. Purple spikes in wet areas, traditional nervine for tension, anxiety, insomnia. Some research suggests calming without heavy sedation. Bitter tea, add honey. Helps unwind naturally. Number 13. Oregon grape, Mahonia aquifolium, the skin supporter. Yellow flowers, blueberries, berberine fights skin issues like psoriasis. Clinical studies show improvement in eczema, dermatitis. Root salve or extract. Botanical option with real backing. Number 14. Yellow dock, Romex crispus, the detox helper. Bitter root stimulates digestion, supports liver, mild laxative. Traditional alterative for skin tied to pore elimination. Small doses in tea. Helps body cleanse gently. Number 15. Boneset, Eupatorium perfoliatum, the flu fighter. Used in 1800s flu epidemics for aches, fever. Traditional immune stimulant, hot tea to sweat it out. Bitter but effective at first signs. Number 16. Usnea, Usnea spp. The wilderness antibiotic. Old man's beard lichen on trees. Usnic acid strong antimicrobial, even some resistant strains. Tincture or poultice for wounds. Nature's outdoor antiseptic. Number 17. Barberry, Berberis vulgaris, the ancient antimicrobial. Berberine are studied for bacteria, fungi, digestion, even metabolic support. Ancient use plus modern research on resistant bug. Bitter tea or tincture. Old wisdom meeting new science. Number 18. Sea buckthorn, Hippophae rhamnoids, the skin and membrane healer. Orange berries rich in omega-7 vitamins, supports dry skin, mucous membranes. Studies show wound healing, eczema improvement. Oil internally or topically. Internal repair in harsh climate. Number 19. Metasweet, Filipendula ulmaria, the gentle pain reliever. Salicylates like aspirin origin, but whole plant often easier on stomach. Anti-inflammatory for pain, fever. Pleasant tea. Balanced nature's version. Number 20. Stinging nettle, Urtica dioica, the nutrient powerhouse. Stings aside, rich in iron, vitamins. Supports allergies, joints, detox. Research backs anti-inflammatory, diuretic effect. Tea from dried leaves. Nutrient boost from a tough survivor. There you have it, 20 forgotten healers hiding in plain sight. Which one surprised you most? Comment below. Team wound care, lungs, or pain relief. Like if you learned something, subscribe for more, and share with someone who needs this. Stay empowered, nature's got your back.